A gentleman was walking through an elephant camp, and he spotted that the elephants weren't being kept in cages or held by the use of chains. All that was holding them back from escaping the camp was a little piece of rope tied to at least one of their legs. As the man gazed upon the elephants, he was completely confused on why the elephants didn't just use their strength to interrupt the rope and escape the camp. They might easily have done so, but instead, they didn't attempt to in the least. The man was curious and eager to know the solution. He asked a trainer nearby why the elephants were just standing there and never tried to escape. The trainer replied, "When they're very young and far smaller, we use an equivalent size rope to tie them. And at that age, it's enough to carry them. As they get older, they're conditioned to believe they can't break free. They believe the rope can still hold them, so that they never attempt to break away. The only reason that the elephants weren't breaking free and escaping from the camp was that, over time, they adopted the belief that it just wasn't possible." Moral of the story: no matter how much the world tries to hold you back, always continue with the assumption that what you would like to achieve is possible. Believing you will become successful is that the most vital step in actually achieving it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for more inspiring videos.